Hi guys, welcome to Mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for p in p raised to power 3 equals 6 raised to power p. Guys, this may look simple, but do you believe that 99% students fail this? But however, let's solve this together. That's the solution. Our given equation is p raised to power 3 equals 6 raised to power p. So from here, what we need to do first is to introduce ln to both sides. So we have ln p raised to power 3 equals ln 6 raised to power p. However, recall that if we have ln m raised to power n, this is equals n ln m. Right? So applying this to this, we will have 3 ln p equals p ln 6. What we are going to do here is we have to divide both sides by 3, then 3. Again, we want to cancel this. Let's divide both sides by p again, p. So we know here we have this, we cancel this. So we'll have ln p divided by p equals, here we have this p cancel this. We have ln 6 divided by 3. Alright. However, for this, let's note that from the law of indices, 1 divided by m raised to power n is equal to m raised to power minus n. This is a negative index of law of indices. So applying this to this, we'll have this will becomes ln p multiplied by p raised to power minus 1 equals ln 6 divided by 3. Alright? So however, you know that if you have exponential ln p raised to power minus 1, this is p raised to power minus 1. Why? Is because this exponential, we can't do this ln. So now we will have ln p multiplied by this p raised to power minus 1 will be replaced by with this exponential ln p raised to power minus 1 equals ln 6 divided by 3. I hope you are with me. So now the next step now is we will have ln p multiplied by exponential minus ln p equals ln 6 divided by 3. So here now, as we look it, we are going to apply the Lampant function. So where the base and the power must be the same. Look at here and look at here. We have minus here. So that means that we have to have minus here. So and to have it here, we have to multiply throughout by minus 1. So if you multiply throughout by minus 1, we have minus 1 multiplied by ln p times exponential minus ln p. Alright? Equals minus 1 times ln 6 divided by 3. So now we will have minus ln p exponential minus ln p. You can now see the base and the power are now the same. So we have minus ln 6 divided by 3. Alright. So here we should note that m equals n exponential n. Right? So that's when we see the Lambert function of m equals the Lambert function of n exponential n, so which is equals n. So the same will apply to this. If you have the Lambert function of minus ln p exponential minus ln p, this will be equals to the Lambert function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. So applying this here, we will have minus ln p equals the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. You should know that we want to find p, so that means that we have to multiply both sides by minus 1. So if we multiply both sides by minus 1, we have minus 1 multiplied by minus ln p equals minus 1 times the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. What we are going to have now is ln p equals minus the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. So now we will take the exponent of both sides. If we take the exponential of both sides, we have exponential ln p equals exponential minus the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. So here we will have this exponential can do this length. So we will have p equals exponential minus the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. So but recall that I said earlier that if you have the Lampant function of n exponential n, this is equals to n. And this is equals to the Lampant function of n multiplied by exponential the Lampant function of n. So this implies that if you make this the same formula, we are going to have exponential the Lampant function of n equals n divided by the Lampant function of n. So therefore, this will become p equals 1 divided by the Lampant function minus ln 6 divided by 3, then divided by the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3. So from here now, we'll have p to be equals minus the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3 divided by ln 6 divided by 3. And this is equals minus 3 the Lampant function of minus ln 6 divided by 3 divided by ln 6. Guys, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment? And don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.